Hi everyone, Tim from Grandad's Workshop. Right, we're continuing on with our book Nook, the library within a book cover. So we're on to step 14, which is going to end up as a nice little cabinet. Okay, so there we go, that looks pretty cool. I should say the top of the cabinet, it's got little round edges which will be the front, and obviously square edges will be the back. So okay, so let's put our leggies on the base, so they go on the outside. I'll just zoom in a little bit for this section. There you go. So that's what we've got so far. Both the ornate legs with the stained side facing out.
Even though the vet says you've just a perfect weight. You know what I mean about?
Well, some people might think we're cruel if we don't give him a biscuit.
Well, he does.
He definitely does, yeah. And he did help me trying to fix the fence earlier. And then the drawer fronts. Let's put a little dibble dabble on the bottom of there. Try and get all this in place at the same time. For the top, put the top flat on the worktop with your rounded edges. That'll be the front, so your drawers, so that's where we're going to go. And I would put the back of the board, of the cupboard, to the very back edge of the top. So let's just put a dab of glue around here, or a ton of glue if you're me.
No, that glue is not cheap. You are a naughty, naughty boy.
I know, but that's a different video.
You can't say that. Oh dear.
So that is our pretty little two-drawer cabinet. Move on to step 15. Just going to come out a little bit actually. Too far. This one is like a paper rack. So, step 15, a little box which is essentially a paper rack, which is going to introduce us to our first little bits of paper.
Have you done any yet? No, books are out. Wow.
So we're back onto the board A. And 15, A15.
gonna have to hammer, sorry.
You're alright. It's the left side.
Not
Have a
really
look
on
at
the
it.
glass though.
17. There's the other side. That's Jan doing her crafting, and it is her room, so I can't say a great deal. So that's 15, 17.
No, it's our room.
14 is the back. 18 is the base.
Look at that. Not gonna...
Here's the base. And 16, whatever that is there, is the front. With the curved piece being the top. Come out again a little bit because it's all good and well being zoomed in, but then we can't see everything. So back, left, right, base, front. Okay, so I fancy we start by putting the, I should say the two sides again have a rounded edge, which is the top and the front. So if we get our rear piece, the back of the box, and on this occasion the stained piece will be facing the front. Just noticed something else as well. This has to go on first, so not to worry. Have the stained edge facing upwards, but that has to go inside. So I'll just pull one of them off a minute. Front edge, like a lattice kind of thing. There's a little teeny weeny paper box. So now we have to make some rolled up papers to go in the box. Now, I don't know if it's just saying you can pick what you want. It's showing 3 in there, and there's 4. Ooh, look at that one, Titanic sinking, but probably no lives will be lost. I'm thinking of rolling it round, something like that, you see.
Like what? Yeah, that's what I say, yeah. I'm going to give you tweezers because you could have grabbed a hold of it and then rolled it. That'll do. Wow. This in the weather, we've got to take somebody out for a walk.
Yeah.
I lost my best tweezers, I don't know around.
So, I'm not going to put any glue on, but I think that'll be alright. Might be a tad fat, but still. That's a pretty good one because you can see the figure. Please like and subscribe, it makes a big difference. And till the next one, take care.